Hi guys, welcome to the new flat. This is so exciting. So this is the beauty room and I am starting off this video. I'm going to show you how I've done my makeup because honestly I'm obsessed. Like, okay, let me tell you a little bit about Beauty Pie because I don't think people, like, I've heard the name thrown around the industry a lot and I haven't really understood. So I'm gonna tell you, like, in a nutshell, kind of what it's about so you can understand. So Beauty Pie is like the Netflix of the beauty industry. So if you enjoy beauty products, then this is for you. And then at first you're like, oh, beauty products membership, what's that about? But the key is that you get the beauty products at such a lower cost. So Beauty Pie cuts out the middleman. So retailers usually add on prices and actually Beauty Pie sells you the products at the factory price. So you can get the best products at a fraction of the price. So a lot of the products they're such high quality. It's not like from a cheap factory or anything. They are from the best factories. And most of the beauty product, I feel like this is the best concealer I have used and found in a while. I used to be such a lover of Armani Lasting Silk foundation. They discontinued it and I have not been able to replace it. And this is so similar, if not better. So if you guys like that foundation, definitely try it. But honestly, you get so much for your membership. So say if you worked out how much you were spending on moisturizer, makeup, brushes, like, I don't know, just anything, work out how much you're spending and I guarantee Beauty Pie will be less. there's a helicopter flying over. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how I've created this makeup look today. I have been obsessed with two of my favorite. Look out for these when I show you them because this blusher is what I've got on the cheeks and the eyes. Love it. The concealer, obsessed with. And the brushes, I have been after blending brushes for so long that are soft and beautiful. I cannot tell you how impressed I've been with this. So let's do the makeup tutorial now and then I'm going to show you around my new flat. So good. I had a little test of this concealer yesterday and honestly, one of my favorite consistencies that I've tried in a long time. I like a really lightweight coverage that's quite mattifying because I have really shiny skin otherwise that just slips off my face. So I like to go in with a matte concealer and then like add highlighter for shine and stuff. My chin area has been very pesky at the moment. I think it's all the stress of moving, so hopefully it will be really good. So yeah, I tend to not use that much foundation. I just like a really light coverage. And I'm gonna add some of the powder. Honestly, the consistency of that concealer is so good. It feels like I've got nothing on. I look like such a ghost. I think I need some sunshine. I do a little bit of contouring just above the cheekbone. Look at the colour of that blusher, so good. I'm a massive blusher girl. I literally cannot get over the consistency of this. It's like matte but then dewy at the same time. I'm not sure how they've done it, but it's so good. I'm actually just gonna it's actually the white from the palette, but I'm just gonna, that actually works so good. It's like a highlight. So I'm gonna go in with this color here. So I'm gonna start off with this color. We're gonna use all four, but I'm gonna start off with this one right here. Loads of you guys ask me how I do my eye makeup, so this will be it. This is how I do it. I'm just gonna go over the whole lid with like the light brown color. Okay, so I kind of go over like the ends of the eye, like not the inner bit, so I leave that like pale, so just the corners. So I just zoom you in a little bit here. I've just put in the corners the little white, the one that I just used for the highlight. So I go in with the light on the inside to brown. I tend to not use eyeliner anymore on top of the eyelid. I do all my kind of eyeliner thing with eyeshadow. So I'm just going to go in with a tiny brush and do the corners of my eyes, like as if I was going to do a liquid liner but with eyeshadow. So So basically you go from dark to light. It's very self-explanatory. Whilst I'm waiting for the first coat of mascara to dry, I'm just going to go in and do the brows. I have lots of stages to the makeup process, so I'm going to brush it out with this spoolie. These are all Beauty Pie products, by the way. I am so impressed how I've managed to get all the colours completely right for my skin tone and my eyebrow colour. Got very low maintenance eyebrows. They require nothing. I'm actually just going to go in. This is one of my favourite little hacks to do. This brush is really handy. I just go underneath the brow with like the highlighter white, just to like get a gorgeous brow structure there. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, another little beauty hack for you. So I go in and put bronzer around my lips. I feel like it makes them look a lot bigger without using a lot of lip liner. This brush is really coming in handy. Multi-purpose brush. And I just do under as well. My next Beauty Pie order, I am going to be ordering the mascara, because on how good the rest of the makeup is, I'll be interested to see what the mascara is like. Okay, I've just put another coat of mascara on and some liner on the inner eye, and I'm going to go back in and put under my eye. Actually, do you know what I've been doing recently, which is really cool? Putting blush on my eye. I forgot I was doing that, so I'm going to pop a little bit of the peach on my eye, because I like it when like the tones go throughout. Do you know what I mean? I love peachy tones, because I think my undertone of my skin is like I've got a red toned undertone and my hair's got a red shade to it. The peachy colours really work for me. And then put some mascara on the bottom lash. Okay, this is the fun part because I have a lot of colours. So this is kind of a darky one. I'm feeling like this is a really gorgeous peachy tone. I have such a habit of mixing colours. Does anyone else do this? This is beautiful. That's like a peachy gloss. Okay, I think we're gonna go in with this one. Okay, I feel like I'm such an artist when it comes to my lips. Watch, because I do weird things. So I'm just gonna go in first with the lip liner called Day Job. It's like a very lovely nudie pink, which I quite like, but we're going to go in for something a little bit peachier today. So I'm going to go in with the next shade up, which is Racy, and just blend it in a little bit. And on the outside. Then I'm going to go in with this colour. I'll leave the colour shade in the description box below, and I'm going to blot it out. Okay, so this is the final look. I really enjoy the products. Like, these are so good. My skin, I feel like you can see on camera, like the texture of my skin feels so nice. These are just so my colours. I'm very happy with this. So now that I've talked you through Beauty Pie, I'll leave all the links to everything that I've used in the description box below, along with all the details to Beauty Pie. I also have a discount code, obviously, for you guys to use. I'll leave that down below as well, or on screen here. And let's get on with my little house tour. Welcome, welcome. Okay, I thought I'd start at the beginning, at the front door. This will be where you'll be. I'm gonna move this basket so you can see my outfits a bit clearer. But God, I can't talk. I feel like I'm so overwhelmed. But yeah, this is gonna be outfit of the day spot. So you will see me here a lot. So there's 2 floors. So this is the first floor. I'll show you down there in a second. There's lots of windows, so I'm trying not to show everybody where I live. This is the living room area. Lots of bookcases. They're about the orange. This flat was furnished, so we'll go with it for now. I might change it out for some like neutral tones. But how gorgeous is this? It's got fairy lights all the way around as well. A barbecue if it's warm enough. It is winter, but in the summer this would be amazing. This is the bedroom. I'm gonna get some cushions and stuff for here, but look at that storage, so good. Then this is the beauty room. I'm very happy about this room. Lots of makeup, so good. The lighting is just amazing. So yeah, this is a gorgeous little coffee table. Again, lots of storage. I feel like books or shoe shelf, you know. And then down here, by the way, I'm in my dressing gown still because I've got no stuff here yet. It's all coming in storage tomorrow. So yeah, I'm just in a dressing gown till then, really. So through here we have this windows everywhere in this flat, so it's got such lovely lighting. It's about 6 p.m, so I'm losing the light. This is the bathroom, very basic, lovely. Here we go. And then we've got this cute little kitchen. It's just very cute. So yeah, I'm very, very happy, guys. I just feel so settled here already, and it's only been a day. I moved yesterday. I actually have to go back home on Sunday for a minor operation. I'm getting one of the moles in my back removed. So yeah, that's a bit annoying because I've been there for so long, and then the moment I move I need to go back up north to have it out. So it's nothing to worry about. They're just being precautious. My mum actually had skin cancer when she was my age, so they just literally whipped them out quite quickly just to be on the safe side. So yeah, I'm gonna have stitches in my back for a little while. That's gonna be annoying. I already had 2 out, 3 out, 3 now, so it'll be the 4th one, so I'm very used to this. But better to be safe than sorry. But yeah, I have got my mojo back. This next chapter is, the game is gonna be raised. I feel like this year I've really for a whole year, like since November last year, I've really struggled to be on my A game, and even before that with COVID. So I feel like no one else would notice, and this is one of these things I'm always really not hard on myself, but I always like don't feel like I'm at my A game, because I know when I'm on my A game. And I feel like since I got COVID and then this past year, I feel like I've just really struggled to stay on top of it. But now I've got everything in place. I have an assistant, I have a flat. All I need is a boyfriend and I'm all good. I've ticked off all the boxes. So I just feel like so on top of everything right now that I'm ready to absolutely kill it. So stay tuned for what's about to come, because it's gonna get very good around here, I promise you. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and if you liked the makeup, let me know what your favorite colors are. I'm definitely a peachy tone kind of girl, love a peachy vibe. My dressing gown is from 100 Stars. I'm actually just about to nip Oxford Street to go pick up like a fluffy dressing gown. It's definitely what I need this time of year. I'm gonna have a cup of tea on the balcony, and yeah, very happy, from a very happy me. It's taken a while, and if you've been following me for the past few years, guys, I feel like whenever you're really down or in a really rubbish place, just put one foot in front of the other, because it's going to lead you to a better place, even if it doesn't seem, if it seems impossible. Just one step in front of the other, and even little changes just do. I think for me, because when I've ever been down before, I was very good at getting myself out of that situation, so I kind of put the same things in place again. Like COVID, after long COVID, I was ill, not feeling 100% for a year and a half. That was brutal on my mentality, and I think anyone that went through long COVID will understand what I mean. Like, it was a mental challenge, long COVID, and it got me in such a down place. And then on top of it, the legal situation where I got robbed of. I don't even want to tell you guys how much you would cry. You would literally cry for me. Whenever I've done that before, whenever I felt down, I got myself out of the situation. Like, I have actually moved back to exactly the same spot that I left. I left in January, like, hating it, never wanted to be here again. And I came to view this flat and it felt like home. Like, I started to miss it, and like it just felt so comforting being back. So actually escaping your situation, like actually just removing yourself physically from a place, can help you regain perspective, and like you can come back in a whole different mindset. So even if, I know I've been to Paris and I've been to like Cannes this summer, so, and I've even been to Mexico, but like I feel like even if you can't do those things, something so simple as just literally leaving the spot and coming back really helps your mindset. So yeah, yeah, that's it. I can't stop smiling.